We have more artists here today making their way to the star-studded event here at Gateway Cinema 11 Event Center Cubao, Quezon City. What are you looking forward to witnessing these two women reunite again after 10 years? Is there anything that you're looking forward to that you haven't seen that these two powerhouse actors have not done yet? The chemistry again, and I think everyone here with their phones, are you excited for the chemistry of Rhea and Liza?
And now, the moment who brought I Felt It's Fine to life. The stars of I Felt It's Fine. Andres Caluna as folks. We have one half of our executive producers of Wide International Film Entertainment, Miss April Martin. And the other half of Wide International Film and Entertainment, Miss Pauline.
The entire team is
Philippines, and we are waiting for two powerhouse women of our industry. Are you excited to see who these two women are? We'll make their way here to the red carpet. Magigay naman po tayo dito sa Cinema Talagang Gateway! Wala na tayo nakita yun. Help me out here.
Let's go, Master Rebels Manila!
Don't tell me, habol mo pa to. Nananaginip na yung opisina niya. Teka lang. Masyado ka na to, Winston.
Yes, definitely, your Astro Rebels are here!
All phones are out, waiting for the eyes of our spotlight, our two lovely ladies here.
And again, when you post on social media, please don't forget to use the hashtag IM.
Kanina pa ako bumbayad na.
Patas po tayo, Nay. Patas na lang po tayo.
Right now we have the results from having waited to the cameras for 2 minutes. Having the photos taken before the wall. At this point, all our members are going to take the photos of Maria, who once again her educator Dear Cross got up here and Luxus Stanza for sponsors, as well as two partners that are dedicated to organizing this event tonight.
I think ngayon pa lang we can already deem tonight's red carpet premiere a complete success.
Yes, of course. I can imagine the city was in the with machinery and of course communicating and the fires and the 10 years in the making, reunion talaga ng dalawa. Na nagpapakilay all of the extreme.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Galiza de Castro and Ria Ramos. All right, let's get your
Let's have-
cameras and your phones ready.
Without your phone and cameras, guys, let's have the group photo with everybody here, everyone who's part of Alfea X Fun.
Ngunit di ba na kahit mahal ko siya,
Alright, please, we have our phones here. We have the rest of our team look to the front, directly in front there. Cameras on the front, please, prepare yourself. Can you all look to our left naman to entertain all of our cameras here to our left? Ayan. Alright, to our left, thank you so much. And finally, to all of our cameras and videos here to our right, to entertain our media, of course, and press people here sa aking bandang kanan.
Once again, we have Sir Alcris Galura as Boss, Ice Arago as Jack, Rina Mercado as Liz, Rafael Marcel as Jude,
We also have Sir Dennis Evangelista, line producer, executive producers, Miss April Martin, and Miss Pauline Publico of One International Film and Entertainment, of course, one and only art director, Sidney and Anthony P. Bernardo. Boom, boom, yun. And of course, Fred, last but not the least, right there.
and of course, playing chicks. And we have Miss Galiza de Castro and Ria.
Alright, final photos taken before our entire team of I Felt It's Fine will enter the cinema. Alright. At this point, may we ask everybody, please, may we now enter.
Oh,
my God. Nakakainis yung bigla. Uy! Sabi sa akin, good luck. Parang, ano? Thank you, ha? Thank you.
Paramdam nga ng energy nyo. Lakasin pa natin. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Let's go!
Grabe, after more than a decade since the rich man's daughter, nagbabalik ang tampalang Glyza de Castro and Ian Ramos for the movie I Fell It's Fine. Welcome once again to the red carpet premiere of I Fell It's Fine.
I think Sir August is still being held up by the media there kasi talaga namang mainit ang suporta ng mga miyembro ng ating press and media. Full support tonight.
Yes, kitang-kita naman natin kanina sa labas. Kasi nga, ang tagal nang inaantay ng mga...
Ay, salamat. Salamat po ng maraming sa mga pumunta. Sana ma-enjoy niyo po yung pelikula at bukod sa ma-enjoy niyo siya, sana may matutunan din po kayo. Salamat po ulit ng marami.
Thank you so much, Chris Galura. As Box, up next we have Ice Arago as Jack. Wala pa. All right, I think.
Next up, we have the very beautiful Queen Ay Mercado as Liz.
Up next, we have the very dashing Rafael Rosel as June.
And we have, of course, our executive producers from Wide International Film and Entertainment, Miss April Martin and Miss Pauline Publico.
And of course, now let's welcome the captain of the ship, their one and only director, Sigrid Andrea P. Bernardo. I think what are we missing? Are we missing?
Parang may dalawa pang nawa.
Parang, may dalawa pang... Parang nararamdaman ko ata yung energy
I
ng
think
hihiyawan.
kailangan mas iparamdam muna natin yung
Oo, eh.
energy ng Cinema 11 ng Gateway para lumabas na ang dalawang ito. I think mas kaya
I
nyo
think kaya pa yan. Lalo na yung mga astro. I think that's good enough.
Playing Anne and Chicks, we have Miss Glyza de Castro and Rian Ramos.
Mag-usap din kami, please. Dito po muna sa likod.
So guys, ramdam na ramdam naman natin ang pagmamahal ng mga fans, ng friends, ng press para sa inyo at para sa pelikulang ito kahit hindi pa nila napapanood. So ano ba yung short message ninyo para sa lahat ng lumabas ngayon tonight to show their support for you guys?
Anybody in the cast can answer? Go ahead.
Sige, hawak
Go ahead, Rian.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagpunta at sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa pelikula namin na napakatagal nating lahat hinintay na mangyari. Napaka-espesyal talaga ng gabing ito dahil lang sa gabing ito nagsama ang apoy at yelo.
Pero walang puksang mangyayari ngayon, pagmamahalan lang. Pero maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga taga-media, taga-Sparkle, GMA, sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito. You know, mga bandmates namin nandito, Julian, Dasri, Rojun, thank you. Thank you for your support, guys. We really appreciate it. And syempre, gusto ko lang din pasalamatan ang aming mga producers. Miss Pauline, Miss April, parang kailan lang pinag-uusapan lang natin tong konsepto na to. And now, it's finally here. Mapapanood na natin siya. At dahil sa napakahusay na pagkakasulat naman ni Direk Sigrid Andrea Bernardo. Ayan. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the film.
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Mom. Hi, Bianca.
Our picture, compress,
Miss Stacy, hello.
compress.
All right, let's have a group photo with our cast, of course, producers and director here in front.
Ay, for hello.
International for letting me work with you guys. It's an honor, and of course, this beautiful love team for this movie. It's my honor to portray the catalyst. So I hope that you guys enjoy and of course support us. April 4 na po, I felt it's fine.
Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Magandang, wow, grabe for the shot ang mga person. Sige. Magandang gabi ho sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat ho sa time and effort ninyo sa pagpunta ngayon. Sobra na-appreciate ho namin kayong lahat. So, ayun nga po, ako po si Queenie Mercado. I'll be playing the role of Liz dito po sa I Felt It's Fine. So, sana po supportahan po ninyo. April 4 na po yan in all cinemas nationwide. And syempre, thank you so much po sa ating mga producers. Miss April, Miss Pauline, thank you so much po. And I'm so happy po nakasama ho ako din syempre sa movie ng love team natin. Grabe, Rastro! Woo! Ibang klase talaga, Rastro. Promise, kikiligin talaga kayo. Walang lalabas sa sinehan dito na hindi kikiligin. So, ayun lang naman. Sana i-enjoy po ninyo. Bakit parang kinakabahan ka, Ice?
Nakabahan talaga ako. Ang Ice Arago po, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat unang-una kay Lord for giving me this opportunity kasi first movie ko po ito. Tapos, with Rastro pa. Ay, grabe. Sobrang fan talaga ako ng Rastro. Ang lakas ko kay Lord. Thank you, Lord. At pangalawa, malakas na kasabay the international. Dahil ibinigay itong role na to. Kaya maraming salamat, Miss April, Miss Pauline, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng YT International. At syempre sa lahat na nandito, sa family ko, syempre sa mga kaibigan ko, sa partner ko syempre si Rach. Maraming salamat sa support nila. Tapos, basta sa lahat na nandito at saka nasa labas, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And director of I Felt It's Fine, Direk Sigrid Andrea P. Bernardo. Ay, sorry. Thank you, Direk Sigrid, sa pag-guide mo sa akin dito. Basta hindi mo ako in-edit out dito. Ay, Chris, sayang. Ay, Chris.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa lahat po na pumunta. Ayaw nila sa akin. Altris. Nagsalita na. Ako na ba talaga? Okay. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po na pumunta po ngayong gabi, lalo na po sa mga press. Maraming salamat po. Sana po matulungan niyo po kaming ma-promote ang aming pelikula. At syempre, ang Rastro fans na talaga namang sobrang support dito sa ating pelikula. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat syempre sa producers ko, of course. Dahil kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi ko rin magagawa itong project na to. Salamat po sa pagpili sa akin. Lalo na kay Glyza, Rian, and to all my actors na talaga namang very professional and wow. Very professional, lalo na pag after the shoot. But gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan yung mga guest ko, yung kapatid ko nandyan, tsaka hello. At tsaka po si Mr. Martin Makalinta, si Direk Chris Kahilig, andito rin po yung staff ko po, si Len Calvo, yung musical scorer po namin, tsaka po si Marilyn, yung colorist po namin, tsaka po si Ian Marasigan, yung second cam operator po. Ano ba? Sir Alvi, thank you po. Yun po. Maraming pong salamat at sana po mag-enjoy po kayo sa pelikula namin.
Ayun, again,
All right.
thank you.
Thank you
po.
so much. Ladies and gentlemen.
Kay Tita, hello Tita. Hi, Mami. Kay Bianca King, kay MMD, thank you so much. Kay Kokoy at kay Buboy. Let's go! At kay Miss Nessa, from GMA Films, thank you din po for coming.
And si Miss Tracy.
Tracy.
Ay, si Tita.
Ayan, sa nanay ko, sa pamilya ko, mga pamangkin ko. Sana magustuhan niyo.
It's fine. We can have photos and videos again after our screening together reaction of everybody here inside the cinema. Thank you very much.
May I request everyone to please rise and stand at attention for the Philippine National Anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, Rastro Rebels! Once again, may we ask our whole cast and crew to come on down.
All right, once again, please may we ask the entire cast, producers, and of course our esteemed director to please join us here in the front for a simple thank you message, and of course, flowers, more than deserved that they make sure to get. All right, of course, the members of the press and everybody taking lots of photos. Kaya naman, don't forget yung ating hashtag.
Hashtag IFIF Red Carpet. Come on down once again. We have Alcris Galura as boss.
Up next, we have Ice Sarago as Jack.
Pinay Mercado as Liz.
We have Rafael Rosell as June.
And though she's not with us for today, we also have Miss Elizabeth Oropesa as SP.
Grabe, no? Lakas suminong nung... Alright?
Expect ko ba yung mga nangyari sa movie na yun?
Ako parang sobrang plot twist lahat.
Hindi, nagulat talaga ako yung, okay kaya siyang Eiffel. Okay.
Oo nga eh.
Doon siya nag-sink in sa. Okay, up next, may we please call on Sir Dennis Evangelista, our line producer.
Voice behind our OST, Miss Chloe Redondo.
And syempre, ito na, the moment remaining for, we have to invite back here to the front the two lovely ladies members natin sa feelings.
Ramdam na ramdam ko yung kilig ng Rush Show Rebels!
Salamat din sa inyong lahat. Naging posible ito dahil sa inyong lahat at hindi kayo bumitaw. So maraming salamat po, Rastro Rebels and Rastro Nugen, Ria Nugen, Cyberian.
Ang sarap makakita ng mga lumang mukha. Bagong mukha. Sobrang luma. Kaya hanggang ngayon parang speechless pa din ako kasi sobrang nakakatuwa lang na makita, marinig ang inyong mga tawanan, hiyawan. At doon pa lang ramdam na namin na nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi na namin tatanungin. Ang papakiusap lang namin sa inyo ay, let's share this movie. Sana marami pa ang cinemas na marating nitong pelikula na to. Sana umabot pa to sa iba't ibang bansa. Diba? Marami pa stories ang matouch ng pelikula na to. Again, maraming salamat Wide International sa mga co-stars ko, syempre sa aking leading lady. Ano bang ininom natin tonight? Ayan, and of course sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much.
Alright, let's hear from the rest of the cast as well. Inviting, of course, giving thanks, syempre sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta ng ating pelikula.
Ayan, syempre, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Ibang klase po yung suporta na ibinibigay ninyo. Kaya muli sana po ay ipagkalat po natin ang I Felt It's Fine. This coming April 4 na po yan in all cinemas nationwide. Maraming salamat po.
O, diba? Dalawa? Ayun. Grabe, sobrang kilig ko. So, sobrang kilig ko talagang natatabi ko na si Direk. Kaya, maraming salamat po sa sumuporta sa I Felt It's Fine. And sana masuportahan niyo sa April 4. Thank you po.
And salamat ulit sa panonood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kita-kits ulit sa April 4. Thank you so much.
And syempre, laging nababanggit ang Wide International Film and Entertainment. We need to hear